A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings. Tell me something. You understand what it mean if you commit adultery? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, just click the like button and drop a comment below and share this video with all of your friends. And if you don't do it yet, now the best time if you go click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on. Right here so. Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Matthew chapter 5 from verse 31 to verse 32. It right down say, any man will left their wife figure the paper we show say they not married again. But here we may say, any man we broke up with his wife and I know like say she did a keep man with him or a go on with no other sex sin. If that woman there go married one next man, or the first husband would have make she live in a sin. Cause now she wouldn't sleep with one next man. And the man will marry that woman there after husband left her. Him a live in a sin too. Cause he must sleep with one next man wife. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.